Today's Campus Corner is sponsored by Bluegrass Community and Technical College.
I'm with Lynn, Godsey, and Ty Howard. They're the directors of the Danville and the Georgetown campus. Now, Lynn, I've heard of an ATM. What's AMT?
So that's our Advanced Manufacturing Technician program. It's actually a work and learn program that students can do. They will work for a company, a manufacturing company, 3 days a week and come here to school 2 days a week. So they are getting on-the-job experience while they're going to school, and they're getting paid for those 3 days of work. So it is an awesome experience for them. And for most students coming out, it's not a guarantee, but we have a very high placement rate that those students get offered a full-time position when they graduate.
That's incredible. Ty, what kind of people sign up for this program? I mean, who walks through the door?
Well, we've had companies around Danville come in and look at our advanced manufacturing lab, and they are really impressed. If you look around, we have the same machines that Georgetown does, and they say, this is incredible. We have the same machines on our plant. So they may have employees that want to upskill and want to get certificates and improve their skills, and they'll enter the 2-year program, and I'm telling you, they are really happy when they leave. Yeah.
Lynn, this campus, I mean, it's incredible. This is just
you.
Walking through here, I was like, this is really nice. What makes the equipment and this program so unique around Kentucky?
So I think it's unique for a couple reasons. One is what you're seeing is the learning space where our advanced manufacturing students learn. So unlike any other learning space, all of our programs are very hands-on. So again, you see that in this space with the trainers, with all the equipment they're learning on. And this space specifically was designed to mirror what an advanced manufacturing facility would look like. So concrete floors, high bay space, flexible space. Because we wanted students to learn in the same kind of environment in which they were going to be working.
Ty, I feel like a lot of folks that maybe haven't been in school for a while and they're thinking, maybe nervous about going back. What would you tell those folks who are just on the edge of signing up for a program like this?
Well, when I came through high school, I didn't know anything like this existed. And now there's some high school kids that don't know what we have. And so we try to get high schools to come through, do some tours, talk to them about the careers they can have and how much money they can make as they come out. Because we have got manufacturers that are just begging for our graduates.
Now, I think in this building, you kind of have multiple targets, multiple programs. What are those?
Yes. So we have that work and learn program, the Advanced Manufacturing Technician program. We also have a more traditional industrial maintenance technology program. We have an electrical technology program, which is geared toward folks who want to be electrical technicians, not electricians, but electrical technicians to maybe work on equipment and devices. We have our computerized manufacturing and machining program for students who want to become machinists, tool and die makers. And then we have a pretty unique program. It's actually a 2+2 program with University of Kentucky's College of Engineering. So they come here for the first 2 years, they do all this great stuff and learn the hands-on part. Then they go to UK for the last 2 years and learn the engineering fundamentals.
Gotcha. Man, there's so many cool equipment in here. I'm looking at these like robotic arms and everything. What makes it so unique, this equipment here? I feel like I've been to a lot of campuses. I've never seen anything like this.
Well, from what I understand, and Lynn can back me up or correct me, the robotics that we have here, they're on a small scale, but they'll have the same equipment and the same programs, but just on a larger scale in the manufacturing. Is that correct?
That is right. So students are learning on these small baby arms, but when they go out into industry, those are going to be robotic arms that pick up sides of cars or rolls of steel. But the same programming, the same software they're learning here on how to make them operate is the software they're going to be using out in industry.
I'm going to be honest, y'all, I want to play with those robotic arms so bad. Ty, do you see that students that come here have a particular type of interest?
Well, a lot of the students that come through, they need to have a mechanical aptitude, and they need to have some soft skills. They need to be able to communicate orally and written, because they're going to be working as teams to solve problems, come up with ideas. So they got to work together. And that's the kind, you know, they're going to get their hands dirty.
Yes.
So they got to, yes.
I love that. Now, say someone wants to enroll. They do that tomorrow or on semesters. How does that work?
Well, most of the programs do start on semesters, so we have a fall and a spring semester. The timing is actually great because we're getting ready to start our spring semester in January. But we can also work with students, in a few months who might want to start in the fall. So we're very flexible, and students can really contact us at any point. We are happy to get them slotted into classes, get them connected to programs, whatever their interest area is.
All right, I appreciate this information. Now, please join me. We're going to go play with the robots. Come on, come on.
Today's Campus Corner was sponsored by Bluegrass Community and Technical College.
All right, and all of the information is up on the screen. It's a great time to learn some new things.